Well, hello. In today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing of the 2019 Rachel ZOE Box of Style. So if you guys want to see what's inside this box, then just keep on watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, so glad you're here. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Jessica and I make videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel, but on a budget. So if you are into those things, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you're gonna love all the awesome content that I have coming your way. And if you haven't already, make sure that you follow me on my Instagram. If you guys love me and you like watching my videos, you can get more of me every single day over on my Instagram. I'm always posting awesome style inspiration, and then I'm usually on my stories every day, sort of showing you my life and behind the scenes and going to events and just all kinds of fun stuff there. So make sure that you go find me there. I would love to connect with you over on Instagram as well. Today I wanted to do a little unboxing of the Rachel ZOE Box of Style. Mine just came today, and this is probably one of my top 2 favorite subscription boxes. And the reason why is because, first of all, the items in here are going to be a good mix of fashion, lifestyle, and beauty products. Rachel always puts really cool fashion type things in here, which is amazing. The reason why this is one of my favorite boxes is because I have been such a big fangirl of Rachel ZOE for forever. I think since high school. It was around the time, if some of you guys remember, she used to have a reality show that sort of followed her around her styling business, styled celebrities here in LA and all that jazz. And then she sort of progressed from there into having her own line and having her box. I have just been such a huge fangirl since day one. And so to just see how her career has progressed is so inspiring. And literally, she can do no wrong in my book because everything she touches is fabulous. Another reason that this is, in my opinion, one of the best subscription boxes is because usually valued at $400 worth of product inside, but they're $100 quarterly. So for $100 every winter, spring, summer, and fall, you're getting at least $400 worth of awesome products handpicked by Rachel ZOE herself. Like I said, usually it's about $400 value, but this time apparently everything in here is valued at $594. So this box I think is going to be kind of insane, and I'm so excited to get into it. But before we do, I just have to let you know that I have a discount code for you guys, just for my lovely followers. Want to try the Rachel ZOE Box of Style for yourself? Had to get my computer to remember. Then you use fall 25 for $25 off, and that's from now in August, and it goes until the winter. Now, Labor Day weekend, on the other hand, you can get $30 off your first box, and that code to use is LDW30, and you get $30 off, and that's only valid Labor Day weekend. So that's August 29th to September 2nd. So make sure you get on it on Labor Day weekend. I will have links below if you guys want to check it out for yourself. You can go down in the description box. You can find a direct link there, and I'll also put the coupon codes down there so that you guys can access those and get your coupons, get your savings. That's enough chit chat. Let's get into it. Here we have the lovely box, and I'm just gonna open it up. First of all, comes with this little pamphlet that lets you know about all the items that are going to be inside your box. And oh my god, Rachel, we're matching. Oh my god, totally matching, right? Leopard print. I swear we did not coordinate it. I promise. Oh my god, Rachel, you look fabulous. Love it. So first item that I have to show you is this bag. How cute is this? First of all, the color is beautiful. It's this lovely cognac color, which is perfect. Will pair with so many fall items in your wardrobe. I love this little hardware detail right here. It kind of reminds me of the Chloe Faye bags a bit. It's got a long crossbody strap that you can adjust right here, and then open it up. It's pretty small, but it's the perfect size for your essentials, your phone, your little wallet, car keys, a lip gloss, maybe a couple other odds and ends. And this will be the perfect purse to just sort of throw on and go all fall long. The brand is Winters, This bag retails for $148, so that's amazing. So essentially, the amount that you paid for this box has already paid for itself and then some with just this bag. So that is incredible in and of itself. So the next item that we have is Shani Darden Texture Reform. This is a gentle smoothing anti-aging serum which is designed for people with dry, aging, and sensitive skin. The packaging there. The top, it's got like a little pump. I'm just gonna pump some on my hand just to check out the smoothing textures. Oh my god. Oh my god, wow. It smells amazing. I do have to say the back of my hand feels very soft and moisturized now. Even sensitive skin types can use this gentle retinol serum. It encourages cell turnover, it softens your fine lines, and reduces signs of sun damage, which is fantastic because we all know sometimes in the summertime you get too much sun. And so this is the perfect product for the fall box because it helps to sort of fix what you messed up in the summertime. This is a full-size product and it typically retails for $95. Excited to add this into my routine and see kind of like how it goes and maybe give you guys some feedback later on what I think about this product. Next, we have Marc Jacobs. And this is a enamored high shine lip lacquer gloss. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this open. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm loving the color. It's so beautiful. It kind of looks like what I'm wearing currently, but it's got like a little bit more shimmer in it. I think it's so pretty. So I'm just gonna swatch this on the back of my hand so we can see. Ooh, beautiful. And it's just such a nice like formula. I feel like I already have gloss on, or I'd try it on for you guys, but I can just already tell that it's got a nice thick buildable formula that you can add as much or as little as you're with to get the desired effect. This typically retails for $28. So again, like you're getting really nice products inside this box. Next up, we have a little pouch situation from Rachel Merriam. Oh, look at that. So this is a little faux crocodile Bordeaux colored little pouch. There's the inside. It is genuine leather, and I love these little things because I don't typically like to carry like a big wallet in my bag. I do have like a really nice like big Michael Kors wallet, but I find that I don't use it as much anymore just because like my bags now tend to be like smaller and it doesn't always fit in all my purses. So I do like to have little wallets like this that I can just put my ID and my like credit card and my debit card and maybe a little bit of cash inside. It's also great for like, you know, when you're going out at night and you have like a smaller bag to sort of downsize into something like this. Another thing this would be great for is business cards. If you have business cards that you need to have on you, this is a very attractive and chic way to carry them around. You can just like open it up and pull one out and you look very, very sophisticated and professional. This typically retails for $50. So yet again, a beautiful product that you're getting in the Rachel ZOE box style. Last but not least, we have one more little pouch. It's from Dana Jo. I hope I'm saying that right. And it looks like jewelry. Oh my god. Okay, I'm obsessed. Look at this necklace. That is so chic. I'm gonna just put it on because I feel like it'll look good with my outfit right now. Okay, let's do it. I'm obsessed with this. This is like just a great piece for all year round, but for fall I feel like it's going to be great because chunky jewelry is really making a comeback. I've been doing a lot of research on the fall 2019 trends and they're saying that the dainty jewelry, yes, like keep it, hold on to it. That has been trendy for a while, but we're going back into like chunkier, bigger statement pieces, and this is fantastic. I also love this for fall because the daintier things, if you're wearing like chunky knitty knits and things like that, they tend to get a little bit lost. So this is like chunky in and of itself. So if you're wearing a thick sweater, this would be great over it. It also would be great with jeans and a t-shirt or like a little black dress or this fabulous leopard dress that I'm currently wearing. You guys can tell that I'm obsessed with this necklace. Let's see how much this retails for because I'm curious, because it does feel very heavy duty. Oh! You guys, this retails for $245. Can you freaking believe that? Oh my god. Well, I feel a lot fancier now. Alright, that concludes my unboxing of the Rachel ZOE Box of Style for fall 2019. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below about what was your favorite item. Do you like this box? Have you ever gotten it before? Or just say hi. I love reading y'all's comments. It really makes me smile to go through each and every single one of them. Also, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. I mean, come on, you know you want to. Do it. And make sure that if you all want to check out this box, you go to my description box below because I have all the links, as I've said before, and all the discount codes for you to save those coins. Well, until the next video, thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day. Bye.